Hey guys, press the bell icon on the YouTube app and never miss another update from Pink Villa.
Hi guys, this is Mandana Karimi and today Pink Villa has come to just check my phone. What is in my phone? So, yes. My most used emoji is the muscle. I love that hand. Strong. Actually, let me see. It's just the blue screen and the ocean. That's it. So my favorite throwback picture is the picture which I just recently posted on Instagram. And it's a picture of me before and after. I mean, there's not much of a difference, but I had this body goal for many years. And finally I could achieve it by playing football. So let me show you the picture actually. Here you go. So the picture on left side, it's me shooting for Kya Kula Hum, the bikini scene. So like that time I felt like I'm really fit. But this picture is just recently, and if you see, there's a huge difference between these two pictures. And now like I have proper abs and yeah, really proud of myself, sorry. The most styled person, I think my team, my new team. So let's see, the last 3 tabs on my, I've Googled about football. I have the Bella Bandra, always looking for new coffee place in town. And I do have, oh wow, the Bandra project ordering pizza. That's the 3 tabs, sorry for disappointing you guys. I just spoke about my diet and being healthy, and there's a pizza order. The sexiest photo? I think the sexiest photo I've taken is the photo of me the other night when I came back from football practice. And because I haven't worked out for a really long time, and I've taken this naked picture of myself to just like seeing, you know, how my body shape is and everything. I think it looked really hot, so. Sorry, I can't show you that picture. Least used app, let me see. I think I haven't used my Sleep Better app, which, you know, I used to use it regularly before, and I haven't used that app for a really long time. I'm not really a game kind of a person, but the game I played most on my phone would be, oh, Pac-Man. Yeah, I'm back to playing Pac-Man. Best selfie I've ever taken? I take too many selfies. It's really tough to choose the best selfie. Okay, I can tell you the last selfie I've taken. Does that work? Me and my dog just now at home before I got here. You want to see it? The worst selfie I've taken, I think it's the one that you take it at a party with your girlfriends and like, oh, we're looking so good and you know all that, and it's then when you look at it in the morning, it's not looking good. It's like the worst selfies ever. This is actually my extra phone. 5,435. And this is my extra phone. Now you can understand why I couldn't pick between my selfies. It's a selfie I took with my puppy. Well, I'm not a very, I don't listen to the songs like really back to back, but there's this one song, there is this song, it's Whatever It Takes, and it's by Imagine Dragons, which I've been playing like back to back, especially before I go for football. It's really like pumping me up, so I've been listening to it a lot. Well, the last time I set an alarm, it's basically every day, but to take my dog for a walk, but I wake up exactly 3 minutes before my alarm. So there's no point, but it's just a habit. I set the alarm same time every day. My first ever phone, I think was, what was that? The small Nokia, which was like tiny, and you know, the battery used to last for like days. I think that was my first phone. Okay guys, I hope you enjoyed peeping into my phone. So if you liked the video, like, share, subscribe to Pink Villa. Thank you for watching.